Hi everyone. Alright, I blanked. Face isn't done. I'm getting ready. I'm actually going to go out tonight for my cousin's birthday, so I figured I would just film while I'm getting ready because that's normally when I'm actually putting makeup on, and thought we could do a thing, you know, get ready together. Or me just talk to myself. Cool. Okay. I might just be holding up products and going in with them because I'm not doing probably anything too much different than not only have you seen me use recently, like before, but recently. So I like normally, so whenever I am like getting ready for a night out, I like shower, use the good stuff, moisturize my bod, blow dry my hair. So that's what I did. Like I put on, I've mentioned this before, I wear like tops that are just like big baggy, like get ready tops. So I blow dry my hair first. I don't know why. I blow dry my hair and then I put my makeup on and then I finish my hair. I don't know. Does anyone else have like a way they do things? So, oh, and I put a face mask on. So I put a face mask on while I blow dried my hair. Blow dried my hair. Moisturize my face then after. And then get ready to put on my makeup. So that's where we're at. The lip bump. This is something I have just started doing literally every day with my foundation. It's also putting on this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. The reason that I'm not going to, so it's expensive, and I don't want to proclaim to like go out and definitely just buy that because I've never tried any other skin perfectors, or I feel like there's a lot of these like highlighty type products out now, like the liquid ones that people really recommend. I just accidentally bought that 3 years ago when the highlight trend started, maybe even 4 years ago, and thought that's what everyone was talking about, and then found out that wasn't. And now I have it and recently started using that. Mixed with my foundation to not be so matte. But I know there's a ton other out there, so I love that. But I've stopped myself from buying other ones because I want to use that because it's probably expired in all honesty. So I do love that one though, but it's expensive. I know there's a lot of other drugstore versions. Eventually I will get to try those. And then I'm going to go with the Huda Beauty Concealer. I've been loving this. It's probably my favorite concealer recently, and I don't know if that is just because it's new that I'm loving it, but I dig it. The applicator is kind of annoying. I'm trying to get over it because I love it that much. So by this time this goes up, we'll be in December. Currently tonight we're going out for my cousin's birthday. We're going to a bar that actually has Christmas lights like from top to bottom. They don't just do this during Christmas. It's a place that has them up all year long. It's just like a novelty. But this will be my first Christmas-ish outing. So I'm not doing my Christmas makeup idea that I talked about doing tonight, but this is another type of a look, but I'm wearing it to a holiday thingamabob. Kind of where I started this idea or the want for this look or to explore something like this is, so, you know, Ariana Grande is like the real hot ticket button item right now. Or, you know, maybe she hasn't and I'm just getting old. And, a huge fan, meaning like I like her stuff, but I don't like stalk it, watch it a lot, or anything like that, which no shade, just I'm saying I don't. But there's something about like she has this under eye that's like bright, but not flashback bright, just like beautifully like lightened underneath, and I love it. And I was like looking at her, like she's flawless under eyes, and I'm obsessed with that look that she does. And I've been looking and I noticed she never does like under eye really like shadow, and I wonder if that helps. And she also goes very bright underneath. So that this look is kind of going to be inspired by her look, kind of. Not really anything else, like the look I'm doing specifically, but that under eye brightness for freaking sure. I'm going to be taking the RCMA setting powder. I've just been using this. It's probably because I just pick up what's closest to me. I actually have the Morphe sponge. I don't know if this is my first time using it on camera, maybe. I needed new sponge just in general, and I was at the Ulta that has Morphe. I feel like a lot of them have Morphe now, but the one by this one that's okay. There's one near me that has a crap ton of Morphe. When I was at that one, I picked it up. I like it so far. To like bake under my eyes or really brighten them up, I'm taking my MAC Pro Emphasize powder, and I'm gonna take that Morphe Spongili. I'm going to bronze up a little bit. I'm taking the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. Obviously, it's a love. It's actually probably more of a contour. The way that stuff we did have on, as you can see, it's pretty stark. I don't know, does it come across in the moment? It's pretty right up underneath of there. So I'm gonna add some blush now. And it's the same blush I've been going for recently, so if you've seen it, I'm sorry. The Tarte Blush in Seduce. I'm gonna go take my ABH brow pencil and put my brows on, and then... Okay, brows are on, moving to eyes. For eyes, I'm gonna use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going in, I'm not grabbing the sheet that has these names on there, I'm sorry. I'm grabbing these two first with a Morphe MB23. Alright, so I just sit there and blended that out, and then I'm going to take the black shade in the palette here. And I'm taking Morphe M321, and I'm going to smudge this at the bottom, close to the lash line, and then push it up into the crease, kind of like carving a V. And then I'm going to take two different brushes. I'm going to take a Morphe MB13 and smudge that out, and go back in with the MB23 and smudge it out. Okay, the eyes are done. Then again, this is like a pretty simple look. I actually threw this together the other night when I had to hurry up and go out somewhere. I have like a blending issue. I'll keep blending. I think this is a little bit more black than when I did it the other night, which, you know, isn't horrible because I'm going out tonight, so it doesn't really matter. But we are not doing anything on the bottom of the eyes then. I'm going to leave it very open and fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put some Essence Lash Princess mascara on, and then we'll be back. So I'm not putting bottom mascara on. I'm not, because I like the look of brightness, and I think when I put mascara on, it doesn't have that, okay? Okay, so for highlight, just ignore me. I'm gonna use this here Kitty Kitty highlight by ColourPop because I took it out and it's in front of me. And because it's beautiful. Okay, for lips, we are starting out with MAC Strip Down. This is the lip I'm about to do is a lip I was wearing in my last video. I love, this is probably my new favorite neutral lip. Slight spin on a neutral lip I've talked about before. So, okay, MAC Strip Down liner first. We have our line, that's what we're here to do, so. Okay. And then, what happened to it? Oh, I'm taking MAC, this is Velvet Teddy lipstick. Okay, and then I'm going to just put the Dose of Colors Can You Not gloss a little bit in the middle. This is light. And then that completes the makeup look whatever this is called upstairs. I have to go curl my hair, so this isn't the complete look for me, but in terms of the makeup, it is real simple. Girl on the, I'm just stopping. Okay. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, link, rate, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Or as always, just keep watching. One day I'll stop playing with my hair, and I hope you enjoy.